I'll show you how actually it's work, and it's too easy. You just can't imagine how easy it is. Okay, now the commentary is pretty simple. This is the timeline. This is the import section, and here you can see the library. In library you will get some pre-edited effects like the lower notification, the intro, the outro, etc, etc, and some overlays, some effects, etc. For titles, ready titles, only you need to edit them. Then you can also add those libraries like the filters or overlays in your favorite. And then annotations means you can put some extra things, and you can also make them to affect like animate from behavior or animation. It's on you. Anyways, now the animation you can create some custom animation. I'll show you how actually you can create these animations. You can see here all kind of animations you can make over here. You can also make some custom animations. I'll guide you. Now here's the cursor effect. The cursor smoothness mean, for example, I'm clicking here, then I'm clicking here somewhere. So when you apply this method, the smooth cursor, it will go straight to the point, then to the point, not like zigzag like this and then zigzag like this. It will make your cursor point to point, means click to click. Now the audio section, you can just see here it's monitoring audio labeling, and you can also put here your script, and then you can voice over easily by clicking here, and just it will work. Now here the audio effects, you can emphasize the audio compression, fade in, fade out, and noise removal, etc. And the of course the audio speed. Now in the visual effect, you can see here blend mode will help you to remove the green screen. It's just you can say it's quick method, quick intro of blend mode. Now blur region, you can blur something. Borderless, border, you can make border around the video or the images. Clip speed, color adjustment, and color alert. I did not use this before actually. And color tin, colorize, and corner rounds, you can make the video corner rounds. Cursor path creator, okay, you can create a manually path. Now device frame, you can use device frames as well. And then drop shadow. The device frame is just like you can set here the PC, and in the PC your video will be shown, or Mac address, or Mac or Android, anything. Okay, freeze region, you can freeze this. Glow, medium, matte, I did not use this before. Interaction, interactive, hotspot, even I did not use this before. Motion blur, this is the most important, most beautiful effect. Whenever you move something in animation, like the zoom in, zoom out, it will make a blurry effect that's look so cool. Then outline, edges, and then spotlight, and then remove a color. You can also remove the background color with this. It's a quick intro. Now let me show you here. Just you can import your audio, one video. I'm just gonna show how actually I'm editing my videos, and then simply you can follow that. Here's my video. Okay, just for this is the video. I'm importing video, I'm importing audio, just like this. Okay, now the first thing is important. Suppose you are your video have audio, and you want your background music lower, then you can use emphasize on it, as mostly I use the emphasize option. So emphasize your video, right? Your video have audio, then you can import this effect on your video, just like this. So then auto compressions, that will balance your audio level, the lower, the higher frequency on the same level. Now these options are important for audio. Then behavior means you can simply import title, and you can make them effect just dropping over the title. Suppose I'm posting here Windows fixer, and then I can animate with this. You can see just like this. Now if you go a bit right, now you can just change the language, change these styles, effect, everything you can just do over here, just like this. You can also import the shadow on your title and on your video, because I'm importing shadow on my video, so I'm changing my background color to white. So whenever I'm just importing the shadow on my video, just like this. Now if I animate my video to the zoom out level like this, now you can see shadow. You can also increase the shadow level just like this, and set the angle where you want, and it will appear just like this. You can also animate your video. Now see, it's already created here a pin. You can create a new key by going forward a bit and then go into the animation. You can import the custom key, and now you can simply make some effect like this. It's on you. I'm just showing you how actually it's work. You can make it more perfect, and then if you want it to restore point, just paste it, and you can see it's like this. Okay, I did animate two first, but you can make it slower by increasing this, like now you can see. So this is how actually the animations work on Camtasia. And also there's a pre effect created effect. You can also use them just like this. See? So further, what you can do here, some extra effects. You can blur, highlight some titles and blur the background, or blur something or highlight. These are the tools, and also you can mark these tools. It will like this. You can adjust it, increase, decrease the width and height. Also these things and these things. You can also put here the keyboard shortcut keys, and these are the effects. Now mouse, yeah, mouse is important. So uh, for these effects you need to record with the Camtasia recorder, and then you can import these cursor smoothness and these all the effects, clicking, etc on your video. So these this will work automatically. Now at the end I'll attach some videos clip just as a sample. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.